Meaning of freedom of the press.
Freedom of the press.
Freedom of the press.
Freedom of the press.
Freedom of the press. Freedom of the press refers to the constitutional right of the media to report news and opinions without censorship or interference from government authorities. This right is essential for a functioning democracy, as it allows for the free flow of information and ensures that citizens are informed about the actions of their leaders. Without freedom of the press, governments could operate in secrecy and control the narrative, leading to corruption and abuse of power. It is therefore crucial for societies to protect and uphold this fundamental right.